In addition to Revit models, many other file formats may be used with Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro. In this example, you will upload several DWG and PDF files to Autodesk Docs for other team members to access, review, and mark up as needed. Other file formats, such as IFC and Microsoft Office files like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, are also supported by the Autodesk Construction Cloud platform. Desktop Connector is a desktop service that connects Autodesk Docs to your machine as a local drive. You can open and add files through this connected drive in the same way as you would access and modify other files and folders on your local machine. Changes made locally are replicated in Docs.